katika Kenya wakitumia rasilimali zetu hapa Kenya. Na ndio sababu na mimi nataka niwashukuru communities, jamii ambazo wanaishi karibu na misitu. Wengi wa community forest associations wametusaidia sehemu kubwa kuhakikisha kwamba uharibifu wa mazingira ama misitu haiendelei wakiwa pale wakitazama. Kupitia kwa ushirikiano na wizara ambayo inahusika na na KFS, kumepatikana wale wafanyikazi wa KFS waliozembea kazini, walio wafisadi na walioshughulika na kusaidia kuharibika kwa misitu ya taifa letu la Kenya. Na nimeamrisha bodi ya KFS, hawa wote waliopatikana aidha wakizembea ama wakijihusisha na ufisadi ama wakichangia kuharibika kwa misitu yetu, wote waondolewe kazini na wapelekwe kotini. Wamepatikana tayari forest managers and forest rangers 23. Those who have been found either compromised, incompetent, or engaged in corruption in this space that has led to the destruction of our forest assets, I have instructed the board to remove them from being officers of government and workers of government, and as the DCI is concluding investigations, to make sure that these people are prosecuted. From tomorrow, I don't want them in government payroll. These are people who are saboteurs and who are encouraging the destruction of our environment. There must be a thorough cleanup in the Kenya Forest Service. And I have instructed the ministry to make sure that the tragedy that had become of the Kenya forest and environmental conservation in our country must come to an end. And that we are going to take whatever steps that are necessary to protect our environment, to protect our forests, and to make sure that the many good officers in the Kenya Forest Service, including those who are joining today, who are before me, have an opportunity to serve our country with integrity. Let me also say and congratulate the National Youth Service for working with our Kenya Forest Service in sharing these facilities of training. This is the true spirit of one government approach. We must continue to share all the facilities that we have, either for training or any other facilities, so that we can make sure that we use optimally all the infrastructure that we have at our disposal. I also want to state here and congratulate the management of Kenya Forest Service. I am informed that the uniform that these graduates are wearing and also the shoes are all locally made in Kenya by Kenyans. And I have already issued instructions going forward. All uniforms, shoes, and other pieces and items of clothing that are required by all our security services must be manufactured locally by our companies and made by our Kenyan young people. Let me also underscore that going into the future, we will continuously refine and review the terms of service of all our officers. We've just concluded